Wow. CO, welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. Another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. You probably read the title. It says Headlight. So here's Headlight. Headlight. It don't have. I got it from the Jungle website. Just a LED headlight head glide. Okay. It's a LED headlight head glide. 2015 to 2020 new. That's all it got on it. So yeah, it's one of them fancy one, the projection to, I like to drop it now. So run that intro and we'll dive into it. We'll do what we do. All right, like I said, hey, how you doing, CO? I know y'all seen me take this off 100 times. I didn't want to bore you with that. But why is it you need 1, 2, 3, 4 different torques and star to take your fairing off? I didn't figure that out. One for the windshield, one for the fairing, one for the lights on the bottom. And yes, I'm using power tools to take stuff off. It's fine. As long as you get it in there. I think I need what is that? Now I need another bit to take the headlight out. Yeah, I was working on something a little earlier. But it's about 6 o'clock. I let it cool off some. I believe we might get rained on. Maybe. We'll see. Ooh, thundered. It feels good over here. Look how fast the clouds move. Ooh. What you think, Bohannon? We're gonna get rained on? He said probably, by the looks of it. So here's a question. I don't know if I want to answer it or not. It does got these on there, so it's got the little tab things, and I guess I can reuse these. Well, I guess I can. Hot dog. I thought I would lose that, but that's an integrated turn signal, so I have 2 of them. Good deal. You went in looking, but I'll show you when we get done. So now let's take the headlight out. I'm already up to 5 different bits. Probably we'll see if this other one works or not. It might be only 5. I don't know. We in luck. We only need 5 because this one takes out this one for the turn signal where it bolts the side and all. Oh, my custom grills here. We'll put them back in. So this is the last step, I guess, taking these out. Oh, I should leave the top ones in. Get the bottom ones out. You got 4 of them. Alright. Wrist Saver 2000 works out pretty good. Don't let me lose that bolt I just dropped. And it slides out. Unplugs. So we got it. Reason why, I guess you could, I don't know if you can replace the headlight bulbs or not. I don't know. But one of my low beams went out. What's this for? Oh, that's to adjust it up and down. Huh. All right. So let me put the, see what I gotta do. What I gotta do. It is gonna plug and play, so I thought I was gonna have to do some wiring. I got this off the Jungle website. Now Eagle Lights and some other ones has the same style looking thing. It's like $600-700. I paid $179. Did I? Ooh, it got dark quicker. Let's see what the storm's doing. But Glenn don't like the thunder. Me neither. It brings lightning. Well, that's done It probably done blow over. Ooh, I'm out here holding a metal rod under a power line next to a metal building and it's lightning. Good choice, but it might blow over. So that's daylight over there. Let's go back inside. I don't want to get electrocuted. Ain't that right, Bohannon? But like I was saying, that it comes with plug and play. The plug on the inside plugs, it's the same. So let's hope it works. But these are for your integrated turn signals in there, and you plug and play. You unplug it here, I guess. I already got so much stuff plugged up here. So you unplug that one. That plugs into here. And then plugs back into here. I guess that's right. There it snaps. That's hard to plug in. This weather kind of getting me. Feels good out here, though. But that big tree right there scares me. When the high winds crush me. All right, back to the motorcycle. We'll get back to you in a second. I got to do some wiring. But here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Here's another cool thing about this thing. Wow, you up in my face. But you get these little extension things, and they can only go one way because, and it got a little square right here, see? So if you put this one on this side, it lines up. You put this one on this side, see, it don't line up. See, the hose don't line up. So yeah, so that's real good. It comes with hardware. Now I need some more wrenches. Here's the hardware. You ever tried to work with a dog under your feet because it's raining so hard he don't like noise? He could have went to the doghouse, went in the house, but he wouldn't want that because he don't like thunderstorm. He don't want to be by himself, you know. The tip on them little things I was showing you, it's going into plastic and there's no threads in them, I don't think. But I use my impact. As long as you don't dug it, and just do it dug on it and run them down. So it's like tapping the hole. Anyway, and so I did that on all 6 holes. Some expensive holes. And then I put the little thing on it, and you can see it's in there. It works. So all I left now is to putting it back together, wiring up them lights. My integrated turn signal that's in them, and we'll get that done. All right. Oh yeah, look how probably rained for about 10 minutes, 15. Look at it. I feel so much cooler. You can see how much it rained because of mud puddles. But yeah. Ooh. Yep. As you know, I got the lights on here. So let me show you. I ran into a problem. Well, why is this side working and this side wasn't working? Huh. What did I do wrong here? Oh. Said the blind man. I think I plugged the wrong wire in on the wrong end. I know you give me a minute, I'll get it all. I got enough tongue signals to see. All of them is working now. I just, like I said, had them plugged in wrong. So I flip it to this side. All them flashing. Think I know if I'm turning. All right, let's go to the headlights. Let's cut those off. Those go back to white. Let's see. Bright light. suckers. I can't see. I can't see, boss. Boss man, I can't see. Woo. I see, Shade. Is these working? Is these working? Yep. Like I said, I just had them all run back up the wrong way. So, and now I got more room. I could have put my amp back up in here now because I got more room. I don't know if I want to do that right now. I should. Gotta clear up my saddlebags, but I don't know. Let me put all this back together and we'll close it out. Alright, we're fixing to see what it looks like when the light's off. I thought that was something I did. It was just dust. So, let's see what it does. In 3, 2, 1. That's just AC lights. The ACE accessory. You know, when you want to listen to your radio. So here's what it does. When you flip them on to go mode. And then you got high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Yeah. Let me see here. Don't need that in my hand. Let me see here. Let me stand it up so you can see. Get the full best. I ain't wearing shorts. Woo. That's hit my brakes. Alright. High beam. High beam. Oh, you're already on high beam. Low beam. High beam. Low beam. Passing. Passing. Woo woo. Get out of my way, slowpoke. Get out of my way, John Rodiality. Get out of my way. Just kidding. Turn signals. Whoop whoop. They look like they flashing. Alright, let's try this side. Whoop whoop. Hazard. County. Nope, wrong one. Hazard. What am I doing here? 1, 2. Off with that. Hazard. Woo. Wee woo wee woo wee woo. Okay. Alrighty then. That looks good enough to me. High beam again. Oh no, cut them off. Cut them off. Oh, it's oh lordy. Where you at? Help me. Ooh. Kickstand went down. Lordy, lordy. Ooh. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed me putting that on there. I don't know if I like that light style I like, but it was what I could afford at the time. Oh, you can't see them screws. I was worrying about the screws, but you can't see the screws once you put the fairing back on. It does still look like it's got a... Well, it looks alright. Yeah, but anyway, I bought those, so I wasn't sponsored by nobody. I ain't got them Eagle Light thingies. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Lucille got new eyes. She was like a spider now with all them little eyeballs. So if you would, go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and we'll see you on the next adventure, which will be tomorrow, which you wouldn't see it. Later.